Hello guys, today I will show you a GridView widget, how to make use and perform in your application. So create new dot file, name is grid.exp. Create a stateless widget and same name is grid.exp. Return I will use a scaffold. A bar title is a grid view. Style text style color is a white. Center title is a true. Background color is a light blue. So run this file in main.dart. Grid.exp import run now. So sometimes after output will be on the screen, you will use a body. I have used a body in body gridview.builder. Grid delegate in sliver delegate fixed cross axis count. Set the cross axis count 5 and in the item builder return I will use a container. Height 50, width 50, color is a blue. So item count set. Okay, wrap in a padding 5. Run. You can set item count. So grid view is a display. You can change the color. Okay. So thank you for watching this video.